So what I have right now is this 1-inch tubular steel up with magnets. I'm going to tack weld this in, remeasure, and tack welding is just getting a small little tack on there so it'll stay in one spot, and then measure 2 or 3 times. The window that I'm going to be putting ends up there, I'll show it to you in a little bit, and cut out where the window is going to go. We're going to do this on both sides. This is back where the bedroom is. So right now what I'm going to do is draw an outline of this window and then get the angle grinder and just cut that out. So we're going to mirror this on the other side. I found this window on Craigslist in Phoenix. So, I'm going to do this first cut. It looks good. Listening to the Jocko Willings podcast. Guy was a Navy SEAL. He wrote a book, Extreme Ownership. Amazing book if you want to check that out. The audio book is actually him and another Navy SEAL talking about some of their missions and how it applies to the business world. Great stuff. But I'm going to make my first cut. I'm actually going to go a little bit on the inside, and that way, because you can always take more off, but you can't put any more on. So I'm going to use the angle grinder to cut this out, and then any of the spots that I do need to go a little bit further out, I have a grinder, and I'm just going to grind that a little bit out, just a little bit at a time, just to make sure I don't take too much off. So this is the first window in the back. This is the back of the bus where the bedroom is. I'm going to replicate the same thing on this side. So enough talking, let's get to doing.